Hello and thank you for visiting our vehicle website. I'm James Healy here at Luscombe Suzuki, and I'm going to be showing you around this fantastic example of the Ignis SZ-T. Finished in Speedy Blue, it's on an 18 plate. Now the Ignis is well loved by our customers, not only thanks to its great styling but also practicality. The idea of the Ignis being a mini SUV, so you get very nice ride height, good ground clearance, ease of access and fantastic practicality. I'll come to that in a moment when I show you the interior. Let's talk about this specific vehicle. So this was part exchanged with us recently. It has a full service history, meaning every bit of work's been carried out to schedule. It's been very well cared for, you can tell from the offset of looking at this vehicle. It'll achieve over 55 miles to the gallon, and it's also won What Car's reliability survey. So one of the most reliable vehicles on the market, something that Suzuki's very proud of and well known for. Now, as I mentioned, the Ignis is well loved because of the practicality. So we'll start with, you have working roof bars either side, so you can easily put roof bars or roof box on there. 2 seats in the rear on this one. The idea being that you get nice wide seating for 2 passengers rather than cramming in a 3rd seat. Great head height, nice leg room as well, as we can see there. And this particular vehicle is pristine inside. If I open up the door, I'll show you how wide opening that door is, almost on a 90-degree angle. So really easy to get inside of. Good head height whilst you are sat. And if you ever need more boot space, you simply slide the seats here and that increases the boot space. Let me show you there. So that will fold down, give you another level loading area, as well as giving you fantastic boot space, as we can see there. So very, very practical vehicle. Let's take a look up front. So again, fantastic condition. Been very well cared for. Driver's seats and passenger seat there, nice and wide and comfortable, and fantastic head height thanks to the design of the Ignis. Specification wise, I'll go into a little bit of what you get. So here's your media screen with reversing camera, nice wide angle lens, colour screen, easy visibility. Alongside that, you also get Garmin sat nav, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth connectivity. So it is a fantastic spec, very reliable engine, and this particular vehicle has been very, very well cared for. It'll also come serviced and with a 12-month MOT and 12-month warranty before leaving, so you get a fantastic vehicle, really practical, with a great specification, prepped to a fantastic standard. If you'd like more information or a test drive, please get in touch with myself, James Healy, and I shall happily help. Thanks again.